you don't get the chance to say too many words during the course of a tornado display, and that brings us round in a breathtaking 9G turn to get into his routine properly. And I don't think that little bit of scuddy cloud will give him too much trouble today, as he just gets into right into the groove now with a few rolling turns. The jet he's flying is simply extraordinary, amazing, and does the most remarkable things in terms of its operational capability. It has immense performance, maneuverability, and coupled with its weapon capabilities, made it the clear choice for the Royal Air Force's combat air platform following the retirement of the Tornado F3 and the GR4. Now a fully swing-roll combat platform. Stand back in awe and amazement. One of the terms they use frequently in flying this aircraft is carefree manoeuvring, which young Adam here is doing to great joy and pleasure. He was posted initially onto 3 Fighter Squadron, where he qualified initially in pairs, leads and overseas deployments, and now based as a QFI on 29 Squadron at Royal Air Force Coningsby. Now inverted, all the blood rushing to his head. Turns incredibly tight, and this is what cuts out the modern generation of jet fighters from the other ones. You see the humidity there just dispensing off the top of the wings as he pulls around up to 9G again, but here going to a nose-splitting minus 3 and some outstanding aerial shots here today of this remarkable performer. Really, really terrific. Coming back now for over 1200 degrees of roll. And here it starts. Yes, look how carefree that is. Of course, whilst you can train for much of this, and the aircraft does help you out enormously with information, there's a lot of data being fed back to you as you're flying this aircraft. You can train also for the G, but you have got a lot of additional fitting aircraft and aircrew fittings that help you withstand those extremes of +9 to -3. Putting up now into a high-speed barrel roll. Just dipping in and out of the cloud there. Working hard all the way around there, now bleeding off the speed in a decelerating turn to come back straight in towards you. Here now the stick back, reducing the jet down to about 120 knots. Yeah, and that's from its peak of 1500, a remarkable speed range. It hardly seems to be moving in front of you. Very high angle of attack. We call it high alpha. All that power now being kicked back in by the amazing EJ200 turbojet, giving you a total of 40,000 pounds of thrust. Adjusting his flight profile there just to keep out of the way of that irritatingly low scuddy cloud. absolutely efficiently is. What's so astounding is how close you can keep this jet into the display area. Really outstanding performer in all respects. Through at near 600 miles an hour there, and that of course is the speed limit around UK, because any more than that and of course you'd have a few broken windows around, but that is what it can do. A mere taste, a mere reflection of the 1500 miles an hour it can achieve in heights in excess of 55,000. Getting a good look there at all those hard points underneath to carry a massive range of equipment. The ASRAM and AMRAM missiles, the 27mm cannon, and of course the paveway and enhanced 1,000-pound bomb racks, all there, available in a machine that can get to 35,000 feet and Mach 1.5 in just 2.5 minutes. An absolutely outstanding machine. Breaks off to lift off in just 8 seconds. Adam has been deployed to the Falkland Islands twice and flown from Mount Pleasant there, taken part in a whole range of exercises including Red Flag and Magic Carpet, and now leaving us as he departs. And that's the way to leave an air show. A really, really terrific performance there. Anarchy 1, the Royal Air Force Typhoon display, piloted by Flight Lieutenant Adam O'Hare.
That was good, wasn't it? Did you see that?